हे गाइस व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आई एम क्षितिज फ्रॉम आईआईटी रुड़की। और यार, सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी जी सर ने कल वीडियो में कहा, देखिए जो भी उन्होंने कहा न्यूज़ सब कुछ आपके पास है, बट द इम्पोर्टेंट एंड द वेरी सॉर्ट ऑफ एज आई सेड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग which he says in the video is focus on your studies right now. This is one of the best point he says, focus on your studies. Guys, आप 2 साल से मेहनत कर रहे हैं और प्लीज़ इस वट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन इन दिस वर्ल्ड, प्लीज़ आप अपने आप को इससे इफेक्ट मत होने दीजिए. यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज, हैव फेथ इन गॉड, trust me, everything will go good. Okay. What you need to do right now is just focus on your studies. Okay. तो आइए इस वीडियो के बारे में बात करते हैं. एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर, आप इस वीडियो को एक तरह से चीट शीट भी कह सकते हैं. इन वन शॉट आई विल डिस्कस ऑल द एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर टॉपिक. ओके, सो शुरू करते हैं रदरफोर्ड न्यूक्लियर ऑफ मॉडल एटम. ओके, रदरफोर्ड न्यूक्लियर मॉडल ऑफ एटम, जिसमें उन्होंने अल्फा पार्टिकल्स को बम्बार्ड करवाया था गोल्ड फॉइल पे. ओके, अल्फा पार्टिकल्स स्कैटरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन अ थिन गोल्ड फॉइल. तो इससे क्या आउटकम्स निकल के आए थे कि द मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द एटम इज एम्प्टी. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द एटम is empty. Okay, and every atom possesses a highly dense positively charged center called nucleus. Okay, उन्होंने ये कहा था और आउटकम निकल के आए थे इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के कि every atom possesses a highly dense positively charged center called nucleus. Okay, entire mass of atom is concentrated inside the nucleus. You getting my point? Every entire mass of atom is concentrated inside the nucleus. Okay guys, I will not discuss in detail. It's one short video. जो भी थ्योरी है आप जाके प्लीज एनसीईआरटी से पढ़ लीजिए. एंड आई एम एज्यूमिंग कि आप जानते हैं थोड़ा बहुत एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, तभी आप इस वीडियो को देखिए, अदरवाइज यू कैन स्किप द वीडियो. ओके, एंड next thing which comes is the Planck's equation. Okay, Planck's equation, which is E equals to hc by lambda and h nu, which is also equal to h nu, where h is the Planck's constant whose value is 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 जूल सेकंड. गाइज, यूनिट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, यूनिट इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट. ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग कम्स इज बोर्स मॉडल. I'll only discuss the important things. Okay, Bohr's model. Okay, so बोर मॉडल ने क्या कहा था कि इलेक्ट्रॉन उसी ऑर्बिट में घूमता है जिसका एंगुलर मोमेंटम mvr is equal to nh upon 2pi. बोहर ने क्या कहा था? Bohr proposed an idea of stationary orbits in which electron revolves only in that orbit whose angular momentum is equal to nh upon 2pi. This is angular momentum. Okay guys, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, it goes up to infinity and call the orbit number. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, I'll only discussing the important topics here. Okay, this is a one short video. Okay, and the second thing which he says is centrifugal force of orbiting electron is exactly balanced. You getting my point? Centrifugal force of orbiting electron is exactly balanced by electrostatic attraction between nucleus and electron, which goes like this: mv square upon r is equal to ze square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Okay, you getting my point guys? Okay, just listen what I'm saying. Just focus on the statement. Okay, centrifugal force of orbiting electron is exactly balanced by the electrostatic attraction between nucleus and electron. You getting my point? This is the nucleus and this is electron. whatever going to be the electrostatic attraction between them, that is balanced by the centrifugal force of attraction. Okay, now let's say energy of stationary orbit, and which is represented by En. Okay, the formula for this is, guys, minus 13.6 into Z by N का whole square, and the unit is electron volt here. Okay, unit you need to remember. Okay, the second thing comes is the next thing which comes is Bose radius. Okay, what is Bose radius, guys? It is represented by Rn in 0.529 into n square by Z. Okay, and for hydrogen atom Z is equal to 1 for H atom. This you know. Okay, this you need to remember. Okay, the unit is angstrom over here. The next thing which comes is the potential energy relation, the relation between potential energy, total energy, and kinetic energy. Okay, here total energy is minus of kinetic energy, and total energy is equal to potential energy divided by 2. Okay, now the next thing which comes is speed of electron in nth Bohr orbit. Okay, which is V equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power 6 Z by N meter per second. Okay, unit you need to remember. Okay, guys. Now next thing which comes is, I'll discuss it on the next page. Okay, emission spectrum of H atom. Guys, just watch this video. You'll able to solve, if you have no idea about atomic structure, then also you will be able to solve some of the question by just using the formulas. Okay, mug up the formulas whatever I am writing in this video. Okay, so the formula over here is 1 by lambda, this is wave number, guys, RH, where RH is the Rydberg constant, Z square 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. Okay, guys, and the series are Lemon series, Balmer series. Okay, let me just write it. I just wrote by pausing the video. Okay, आपका टाइम वेस्ट ना होता कि फॉर लेमन सीरीज n1 is equal to 1 and n2 is 2 3. Okay, for Balmer n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is 3 4. Okay, here n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is, okay, n1 4, n1 equal to 5, and n2 starts from the next digit. Okay, 5 6. Okay, so this occurs in UV region, guys. Lemon occurs in UV region, Balmer occurs in visible region, and this 3 occurs in IR region. Okay, guys. Okay, so next thing which comes is de Broglie relationship. De Broglie relationship, which is lambda is equal to H by P, where P is equal to mv as well. Okay, next thing which comes is Broglie de Broglie and Boho relationship, which is lambda is equal to H upon root over 2m k E, where k is kinetic energy. Okay, guys, kinetic energy. Next thing which comes is Heisenberg I hope it's Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which is del p dot del x greater or equal to h upon 4 pi. Okay, where delta x is the uncertainty in position and delta p is the uncertainty in momentum. Okay guys. Okay, so next thing which comes is quantum number. So there are 4 quantum numbers, guys. I'll just write the symbols. Okay, principal quantum number, angular quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, which are also called azimuthal quantum number. Okay, NL. Then comes the magnetic quantum number, and last but not the least, spin quantum number. Okay, so yeah, these are the quantum number where you know what n is, where L is equal to 0 to n minus 1, where m is from minus L to plus L, and S have two values, plus half when electron revolves clockwise and minus half when electron revolves anti-clockwise. Okay, so yeah, and the very important thing you need to remember is not all 4 quantum numbers are same. And which principle is this? This is Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay guys, there is also in relationship, not relationship, it is an principle of Bose principle. First of all, let me tell you, Aufbau is not an scientist. It means building up. Okay, so you need to, by this principle we feel the electrons. Okay, so I'm not like not writing all the orbitals and showing you how to feel them. I'm just writing energy is the function of n plus L rule. If you have studied atomic structure before, you will get what I'm saying over here. Okay, how we feel the electrons in the orbital by this method. F is the energy is the function of n plus L rule. Okay, next thing which comes is Horn's maximum multiplicity rule. Okay guys, which says electrons are filled in orbitals in such a way, you just listen what I'm saying, electrons are filled in orbital in such a way that we must get maximum number of unpaired electron. Okay, so what he says is, I'll explain you in the very simple manner. Okay, this is p orbital, say, and electrons, say we have 3 electrons in p orbitals. Okay, so this is how electrons are filled, and not like this. This is wrong method. This is wrong method. You getting my? We should get maximum number of unpaired electrons. Maximum number of unpaired electrons. Okay. Multiplicity should come out maximum, which is 2s plus 1. Okay. And next thing which comes is Schrodinger wave equation. You just need to remember that equation. Okay guys, which is where psi is the wave function. Okay, which represents an orbital, plus del square psi by del z square plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus v psi equals to 0, where E is the total energy guys and V is the potential energy associated with electron. Okay, now comes the radial nodes. Formula for radial nodes, okay, which is n minus L minus 1. And what are angular nodes? Angular nodes equal to L. Okay, L. Now just add them, you will get total number of nodes. Okay, total nodes n minus L minus 1 plus L, which will come out to be n minus 1. Okay guys, so this is all about atomic structure. Okay guys, जो भी मुझसे कवर हो सकता था मैंने कवर किया है. आई वॉन्ट दिस वीडियो टू बी शॉर्ट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम स्किपिंग सम टॉपिक्स विच आर नॉट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर जेई मेंस right now. Okay, which are important for JEE advanced, I'll make a different video for that. और guys अभी के लिए just comment me down कि आपको कौन से next topic पे वीडियो चाहिए. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and like it. Okay, thank you, bye.